Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. As always, I like to do a main course, fruit, vegetable, treat, and a snack. So what I have here, this is an actual a chicken breast that I roasted, and I went ahead and I just cut them into little bite-sized pieces. Actually, I made them strips. And I have some cheese on here. You can use whatever cheese you like, and then I have some lettuce in it. And since this is for one of the little ones, I went ahead and cut it in half. But for an adult, you can go ahead and just give a full sandwich if you want to, just depending on how much you think the person wants to eat. Remember, you can always do more or less. This right here is an actual pear. The pears are not that big, but I don't want waste, so I went ahead and cut in half. For the older ones, I'm going to go ahead and just give a full one. You see the pear is pretty small. But just so that they may not want to eat it all, I went ahead and just cut it in half, and then I cut it in half, and I, gave them half of one. And I soaked it in some lemon juice. This right here is some 4 baby carrots. For their snack, I went ahead and I gave them one of these Nature Crunch oats and honey, and then they got some Pringles. Those are sour cream and onions. So anyway, these are just some quick lunch ideas that you can make for you, your friends, family, and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and definitely, God bless.